our first online summer school about climate change and agriculture in Northern and Arctic region. Today, Arctic State Agrotechnological University is, just a moment, is the basic university of Ministry of Agriculture of Russian Federation for northern industry, and we have the big university for agriculture in northeastern part of Russia. Republic Sakha Yakutia is biggest region of Russian Federation with 3 million kilometers square, and capital is Yakutsk city. And our republic have unique natural condition. For example, low temperature and high amplitude of temperature, permafrost, long Arctic zone, Siberian forest called taiga, and a lot of wild territory animals and plants. The high agriculture education in Yakutia began from 1956 as Faculty of Agriculture of Yakut State University. Today, we are Arctic State Agrotechnological University. Our university is basic university for traditional industries of the north, for northern peoples, and for example, for northern domestic reindeer husbandry, natural horse herding, agroecology of Arctic, water biodiversity of Arctic, for industry, hunting, and animal breeding. Our university has some scientific research for 7 branches, from biology sciences to philosophy sciences, and we are focusing for agriculture sciences, for example, veterinary medicine science, agriculture science, technical science, and other. Today, all regions of the world feel the influence of climate change, and this change is more sharp in Arctic regions. The melting of permafrost make thermokarst depressions more than 100 meters of deep. Outbreaks of anthrax from reindeers, for example, in Yamal Peninsula, is very, very registered new diseases for domestic animals, and new plants to begin grow in North and Arctic. Our investigation for implementation of adaptive technologies for keeping specialized beef cattle in Yakutia, because our republic have unique kind of cattle called Yakutian horse, and our scientists make some hybrids from Kalmyk beef cattle and Yakutian cattle, and some investigations and results of these kind. In the last years, our Vili River was polluted by diamond mining industries, unfortunately, and our scientists make some biochemical tests of blood, urine, and milk of cattle, toxicological studies of milk and feed harvested in natural hayfields, and radiometric studies of river fish, and fortunately, they are normally. Some investigation for molecular genetics methods in breeding in northern reindeer herding. Our scientists make some investigations for three kind of northern reindeers, Chukotka, Event, and Evenk reindeers, populations of reindeers. Some investigations for development of technology for the restoration of abandoned old arable land for agricultural use, because our soils have permafrost zone, and fertilization level is very small. For example, only 30-50 centimeters. And in this value, we make some grass and sowing forage grasses. We make some technology for the rational processing of horse and cow milk and meat products. And our republic make only 30% for beef, unfortunately. A new construction of mobile slaughter sites, and our scientists built these slaughter sites in the villages in central part of Yakutia, in nearby districts. This slaughter site is its mobility and low cost. And neuroscience investigations for honeybee and bee making and breeding in Yakutia territory, because is very interesting and is very popular, will be from our populations, new honey from Arctic flowers. Today, our laboratory of biomolecular and biotechnological investigations make mini tubers from potatoes, from 10 kinds of potatoes. And we make some mini tubers from cells, and our mini tubers planted in the area of Akhtomsky regions to produce clean lines of potato varieties. And we have some plans for development of the fisheries sector in 3 directions. Fishing, and because our populations make ice fishing on the river and lake, and a new branch is aquaculture for fishers, and conservation of the Arctic fish fauna gene pool for original species of fish, sturgeon, nelma, muksun, chir, omul, and others. And they are white fishes from Arctic. We have some plans for forest investigations, because our faculty of forest and woods investigations have new plans for make forest nursery for reforestation after forest fires and mining industries. Today, our university have big collaborations with our school children and schools from villages and small cities, and we was organized some publishing competition among school children for regional side of the all Russian competitions called AgroInti 2020. Okay. Thank you very much for your attention about my short talking about our university. Thank you very much.
Большое спасибо, Константин Константинович. Thank you, Konstantin. And now I want to introduce myself for those who don't know the organizer. My name is Irina Dranaeva, and I will help you for these 2 weeks, for coming 2 weeks, with the organizing and the questions about the summer school. Меня зовут Дранаева Ирина Александровна, я являюсь руководителем международного и межрегионального сотрудничества нашего университета. И в эти ближайшие 2 недели я буду вам помогать с организационными и другими моментами. Итак, мы сегодня будем с вами встречаться еще раз в 20:00 по якутскому времени. Сейчас на моих часах 16:15. Меньше чем через 4 часа к нам подключится наш профессор из Бразилии, профессор Жилмар, со своей лекцией. Кроме того, в участниках данной сессии вы видите наших следующих лекторов. Наш дорогой профессор Михаил Егорович Тарасов здесь. Здравствуйте, Михаил Егорович. Михаил Егорович, у вас микрофон включен.
Здравствуйте, включил. Здравствуйте.
Please meet our speakers. The first one will be Professor Жилмар. In less than 4 hours, we'll meet him. Hello, Professor.
Hello, hello.
Thank you.
Hello.
And also our next speaker is Mikhail Igorovich Tarasov. He's from Yakutsk. He also will give lecture to us tomorrow.
Yes.
And also we have Mikhail Prisyazhny. He also a participant of our school. Здравствуйте, Mikhail Ильич.
Yes, hello, good day to everyone. Yeah. My congratulations to all distinguished professors with an opening of this event.
Thank you. Также наш коллега Константин Нифонтов Константин Григорьевич.
Hello, dear colleagues.
К нам также присоединилась наша коллега, тоже из Якутска, Дмитриева Валентина Иннокентьевна. Здравствуйте, Валентина Иннокентьевна.
Здравствуйте. Hello. Good day for all participants of this conference, this school, summer school.
So all participants and the students, they got emails with this schedule and with the time of lectures. Yes? So according this schedule, we will meet every day here 20 p.m., 8 p.m. on Yakutsk time. Каждый день мы будем с вами встречаться на этом телеканале, в этой Zoom-встрече 20:00 по якутскому времени. Есть ли вопросы по организации у наших коллег, а также студентов? Я вас слушаю.
Александр, на слово для приветствия для профессора Гилмар предоставьте.
Хорошо. Please, I want to give a word to our dearest professor, Professor Gilmar from UFLA, Brasilia. He's the head of this summer school. He's our coordinator. Please, Professor Gilmar, a few words.
Yeah. Okay, I see you soon. I see you later.
Yes, in few hours. Yeah. Okay, you are ready for your lecture?
Okay, it's okay. My lecture is ready.
Okay, that's great. Наш профессор Жилмар Таварес, он представляет Федеральный университет Лавраса Бразилии и является ведущим научным руководителем нашей летней школы. Также я хотела объявить о том, что научные статьи участников летней школы будут публиковаться в 2 точках. То есть в наших российских сборниках статей под университета АГАТУ, а также университета СВФУ. И также будет предоставлена возможность для публикации ваших статей и работ в онлайн-журнале Университета Бразилии. Для этого мы всю информацию вам направим на электронную почту, и работы будут приниматься до 30 июля. Также еще есть вопросы у вас?
Have any questions?
Хорошо. На этом мы заканчиваем первую сессию, наше включение по открытию летней школы. Желаю вам всем удачи и жду вас в 8:00. До свидания.
До свидания.
Yes, see you. Good luck.
See you in few hours. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your wife, Professor Dilmar.
Yes, I wait. I see you later in few hours. I see you. I thank you very much and congratulations. A good job.
Okay, thank you. See you later.
See you.